Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to activate international roaming on your Jio prepaid number. As usual, open up the web browser and type in jio.com and then hit enter. Once the page loads up, on the top right hand side, you can see the login option here. Click on login. And now you will be taken to the login screen. Enter the mobile number here and then click on generate OTP. But the OTP has been sent to the registered mobile number. I have received the OTP. I enter that and then click on submit. So once that has been verified, you should be able to see this dashboard screen where you will be able to see the balance, your mobile number, and towards your right hand side you should be able to see the settings icon. Click on it. And under the service settings, you can see the international roaming, activate or deactivate international roaming. Click on it. So here the international roaming is not active. You will see this option, activate now. Click on activate now. Your international roaming is currently active. Your reference number has been taken on so and so date. We are processing the same and you will be notified soon. Buy an international roaming pack. If you want to deactivate the international roaming, you can just click on this deactivate now option once you have finished your trip. So you can also see the list of international roaming packs available, which will help in getting lower rates of data and calls depending on the country that you are planning to visit. Say for example, I'm planning to visit France. Click submit. So it will show you value pack with Wi-Fi calling available in 100 countries. So this is the plan available and these are the rates. Standard pay as you go rates. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any questions regarding the international roaming activation, please put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer it.
Please like and share this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.